This only happens if you live in the jungle, boy.
Yeah. This is how I get the machete working as well. It just goes through like butter, you know? Get it pretty much in one go. Pimento?
Yeah.
Pimento? And the reason why they use pimentos in Jamaica, they had like all these fucking spices from like, you know, the spice trade and all this shit.
Is the entire tribe coming tonight?
Well, I've got 2 chickens. I can eat half the chickens. But yeah, when it comes out, it's like what I learnt in Mary's is meat. You can cook it on a barbecue to make it crispy. So you do that with the sugar caramelizes it, and you get this like kind of crisp.
Oh, it does, yeah. Just like licorice, yeah. Yeah. Squeezes
Like
off.
loads of it.
It squeezes off solid straight
That's
out
the
there.
darkness.
Gosh.
Then the pimento, which is kind of like the Christmassy kind of vibe, right? I think when you cook, that's the cloves.
Oh yeah, the cloves, yeah.
Cloves is
Yep.
the top note. But then, oh shit. So cayenne
Yep.
is probably the biggest spicy. This gives it a bit smoky, but you don't really need the smoky. Well, you know what it is.
Oh yeah.
Because you get that from the fire anyway. But it's a bit too like European Spanish.
This means you can put it in the oven instead of outside.
And then no, we're gonna finish it off outside. So what you do is you bake this,
Yep.
and then
There's some soy sauce.
then finish it off.
Oh, wonderful. Are you going to massage it?
Mixes with the fat on the skin,
Yep.
and that's the key.
And then you've got salt.
Then you got a bunch of salt. This is like that.
Well, that's going to be quite spicy, isn't it?
No.
It's not?
It's super tasty.
Yeah. The taste is throughout there.